Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you the tracking feature and how it works in DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can see my Pocket 3 is in my hand and a person is standing in front of my camera. So let's see how it works. To active the tracking, I need to press three times in the screen. You can see the square is showing and it's actually tracking the person's head. So I just started recording. Now if the person moves right, you can see the camera is automatically moving according to the person. You can see I have nothing to do here. It will track the person automatically. So if the person goes left, it will go left. If the person goes right, it will go right. You can see the position is still there. It's still tracking the person. The camera head is moving automatically from left to right, right to left. How amazing is this? It is very helpful, especially when if you are using DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for your daily life. The tracking feature helps you a lot because sometimes it does not distract your subject, and it automatically track your subject. So it is very helpful. So you can see it's still tracking the person. I am not doing anything. If I just hold the camera like this, it's still tracking the camera, and this is very useful. The person is moving from left to right and the camera head is going from left to right automatically. I don't have to move the camera, it will move the camera head automatically. So that is how the active tracking is how the active tracking works. You can see it's still working and the video is still recording. To disable, you just need to press. You can see I just pressed and disabled. The green square is not showing, and if I just select again, triple tap here, you can see it's still enabled. So active track enabled, you can see here. So once it become enabled, then you can see it's now tracking again. So that is how DJI Osmo Pocket 3 tracking works. I hope you guys understand. If you like this video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe now, and I will see you in another video.